He said rev it, he said rev it. Oh shit! Oh shit! Ah, yo nigga, what the fuck? I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! Oh hell no! Oh hell no! Oh hell no! Oh Jesus Christ! I'm gonna fucking die! Yo, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video. Just giving y'all another little POV. I think my exhaust is probably touching on my diffuser, so I gotta check that out. So if y'all hear it, I think that's the problem. Nothing new. I got new mods, but as y'all can see, it is snowing like crazy, so I can't really install anything. But yeah, I'm just giving y'all a nice little POV tonight. I just left school and stuff. I know it looks hella dark. It's not that late. It's only like 7:30. I just washed this thing and it already looks mad dirty, but it is what it is. That's just what it's like in the snow. Let me take my jacket off, man. I cannot drive in my jacket. But hey, this thing is loud, man. Them shifts are crazy. If y'all don't have XHP on your car and you got like a stage 1, stage 2 tune or something, I promise y'all just get XHP. A lot of people think it's nothing crazy, but yeah, I had to stay quiet. I want y'all to hear the pops, but XHP, it does a lot, man. I promise y'all will not regret it. Like, just listen to the shifts real quick. Hey, this thing is so loud from outside. I don't know if y'all saw that little short I posted, but I got like an outside POV and that thing is crazy loud. I'm going on the highway. I want to give y'all a little launch or something though. Let's see. Ah, shit, if I was going straight, I'd probably do a pull with this car. Hey, my shit was spinning, bro. He was doing a little pull. I think it's Cyan FRS probably. I should have went on the highway, but I'm just going to take the other route.
Camera ahead. Red light, camera ahead.
There's a street down here with they got a G63, GT53, and Urus. So if it's out there right now, I'll just drive past the lane and show y'all. I think it's on this street. Yeah, damn, they're there too actually. That shit crazy, bro. Every time I pass here, it's just straight up motivation. Like, look at that thing, yo. That is just crazy. G63 Lamborghini Urus or however y'all pronounce it. But that's crazy, and I think they got the GT53 in the garage or something. But that's goals, man. And a nice ass house too. I gotta turn around though, cause I should not have turned down here. I just kind of turned to show y'all what's up. But someday, bro, you know, I feel like if you believe in that shit and you just lock in, stay consistent, stay true to yourself,
it is possible to get to that level. I definitely think it's possible, and anyone can do it. It just takes a lot of work, and you almost got to be crazy to believe that shit. But man, if they got it, you know, it's definitely possible. Look at that, man. That's like the perfect colors too, like satin black or matte black. I think that's satin black though. G63, Nardo Gray Urus. I don't think it's called Nardo Gray Urus, I'm not sure, but that's crazy. And the GT53 is like all white. Damn. Now that's the kind of driveway I want. That's the kind of laneway. That's the kind of cars that should be in the laneway, man. But I would still have to go. But I would still have to have my Beamer though. Probably like G82 or something instead of the GT53. For me personally, GT53 is a crazy car. I would want one too, but if I had to pick something, I'll pick a Beamer over it. Oh my god, bro. I really wasn't recording this whole time, and I was doing some good pulls too. But you know what? I'm gonna just swing back this way and get some content for y'all. That always happens, man. I swear, I always forget. I don't know if I forget to press the record button or it just doesn't work, but it's always something. It is what it is though. I'll do back a lap around. But this thing sounds insane, man. These roads are bad. I for real just drove past all of this and I thought it was recording. Turns out I wasn't. But I don't know. I just pushed the button to start recording, but I never actually check if it is. Damn, they're playing hockey over there. Let me know if y'all can skate, bro. I live in this place and I cannot skate. Like, everyone plays hockey, but I can't because I don't know how to skate. I know how to do rollerblades, but like ice skating, that shit hard. Hey, this is the best sounding car I've owned. 100%. That house is hella nice too. That thing echoes. I could go through a full tank in no time. I just gotta kind of force myself to not step on it every second. Damn, bro. Hey, this shit's crazy. whoever the cops are, they're for sure hearing me right now, because there's always cops around this area. I don't even know I'm driving on this street. It's kind of risky, but it is what it is, man. I swear, on camera it does not do justice. Oh, I know that guy. That's my tattoo artist. I actually got some new tats too. I was just there like 2 days ago. Gunshots, G. But yo, that's enough noise for tonight, and my fingers are freezing. I cannot feel my fingers right now. But thank y'all for watching though. Hopefully y'all enjoy this video. I have been trying to be more consistent, but I just don't got content every time. That's the thing. But anyways, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos though. Thank you again. I'll catch you guys in the next one.